Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna do an unboxing, okay? And it is going to be an unboxing of the Shinco microphone. That's right. Now, if you are a new YouTuber, existing YouTuber, or an expert YouTuber, one of the main things that you know that people need to hear your voice. They need to hear what you're saying. So I have been, and I did invest in a microphone. And we're going to do the unboxing. Here it is. And the way you spell that is Shinco. Okay. And this is the Shinco, if I'm not butchering it, handheld wired microphone. And this is a affordable microphone. And we're going to unbox it today. All right, so let's get to it. All right, yeah. Let's see what we got here. Easy, easy, yeah. Ah, warranty. Now, something to this microphone. Now, this particular microphone, ooh, I should have brought my knife, huh? Oh, that's nice. That is nice. On and off switch, yeah. Here. Let's see if this will work. Put the plastic wrap off of here. Right. There you go. Okay. That's the microphone. That's really nice, ain't it? Look how clean that look. It is a professional microphone. Now, give you some specs on it. It's 13-foot cable, as you see right here. Okay. And it has an on and off switch. I don't know if you can view on that. All right. It's suited for speakers, karaoke, singing, and a karaoke machine. All right. Amp and mixers. This is suited for all of that. All right. Now the price, you ain't gonna believe this, for this particular microphone. You see the quality, it looks good. 15 bucks on Amazon. That's right, 15 bucks. Now, it has, here's the extras. It has a mute function, okay? It has voice activation. It has, now the connector, this is really, really important. Why you want to get a microphone like this that's 15 bucks. You can buy some similar for $10, but you're probably going to regret it for one main reason. This microphone, as you know, has a 6.35 millimeter, okay, jack. But as I showed you earlier, this comes with it. This is an adapter that goes over the jack so that it can fit any Android, tablet, laptop. You get the idea. So you get the adapter so you can use it on more devices like your Android phone, okay, or anything that you're recording off of that has a 3.5 millimeter adapter. And if you bought them separately, you probably can get something similar to this for $10. But this adapter alone will cost you 9. So with this particular deal, it's only $15 for both. Okay, so you can use it for a whole huge array of things. Okay, which gives it more flexibility and more value in my mind. Now, it has a reduced unwanted noise filter within it, built in. Okay, now this is super important. For this particular microphone, no battery is required. That's right. Take a look at that microphone again. Look how beautiful that is. Right there. See the adapter. When you see the 6.35 millimeter. If you're a musician, you know what that is. And this is the adapter, so you can fit it on any of your like Android tablets, laptops. You get the idea. All right. Now that rocks. Okay, and I was going to make this short and sweet. So that is my unboxing of the Shinco handheld wired microphone. Okay, and you know that's going to come into a lot of useful projects that I'm going to be planning on creating. Okay, and I had a loss of words there for a minute. But yeah, that's going to come in very, very handy. Okay, because my voice is deep and sometimes it can go soft, which it can be hard for some people to hear. So I'm sure that microphone is going to help a lot. And that is my review. I ask you to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I ask you also be respectful to comment in the comment box below. Okay, because this is a great entry-level microphone, in my opinion. Because like me, low income, I can't go around for $48, $100 microphone, not even a $75 microphone. But this right here still is affordable for me, and it will increase the quality of videos I'll be able to put out. So if you're a new YouTuber, existing YouTuber, take my advice that I learned from Roberto Blake, who has over 500,000 subscribers. Okay, your microphone, your voice is one of the first things you want to work on when you're creating your videos. All right, and I shall wrap to y'all later. Peace out.